Hi, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create routes on the goWSB service. So first you need to log into the admin interface, so I'm going to log in using an account I've set up earlier. You'll then be presented with the school profile page, and this will show you the ID and PIN you can use to sign parents up for your service. You then need to click on the routes button, which is located on the top bar of the web page. So if I click on that now, I'll be able to see all the routes that I've created, and it shows which ones are active, and you can close or reactivate them whenever you want. If you'd like to edit them, you can click on this button here, which allows you to manage the route and change it any way you want. But I'm just going to show you now how to create a new route. So if you click on the new button here, this takes you to the route creation screen. It'll ask to use your current location. If you allow this, the map will zoom in to where you currently are. So I'm just going to create a quick route around Lancaster University to show you how the system works. So once you've got into the correct zoom level you want, you just need to then add stops to the route. So if you click on the add stop button here in the top right hand corner, you'll get a stop there, and it'll tell you the latitude and longitude of this stop, and you need to enter a name for each of your stops. So I'm going to enter that this is the start of the route, and then you can drag this point to wherever you want on the map. So we're going to start at the School of Computing and Communications, and we can now add more routes and more stops to this route. So if I click on the add stop button again, another stop will appear in the middle of the map, and this is going to be stop 1. So I can now drag this to anywhere on the map, and a route will be created between the 2 points. You can also reorder these by dragging them around at the side, and this just adjusts the order. So if I quickly create another stop here and call that stop 2, just drag that here, the route will be created automatically, and I can now add my final stop here at the school. So I've got a simple route here with 4 stops. You can now click Save Route. The route should be saved multiple points, but only if you enter a route title. So I'm just going to call this the School Walk, and now this should save nicely. So now we've created this route, we can edit it and manage it any way we want. If you want to go back and edit other routes, you can click the routes button at the top, and you can see here that the School Walk has now been created. Any parents that have access to our application will be able to see this route now you've created it. If you don't want them to, you can click it and close it. So this route's now closed, but if I want them to see it again, you just need to select it and reactivate it. If I want to now edit this route, I can click the far right button, which is to manage the School Walk. If I click this manage button, our route now appears again. Again, you can edit the order of these stops, or you can move them any way you want, or add more stops to the route. You can also add waypoints, which are an interesting little thing. Say you don't want children to be picked up from a certain stop, but you want the route to take a different way. So here I want I want them to cut through Filed Avenue, but I don't want any children to be picked up. I can place a waypoint there, and if I just modify the order, so if it's between stop 1 and stop 2. So now you'll see that the route takes them down Filed Avenue instead of George Fox Avenue. So you can add these, but this won't be shown as a pickup point, and parents won't be allowed to add children to this stop. So if I just save it again, I can now go back to the routes view, and any parent will be able to see this when they open up the application. Thanks for watching.